breaking down, break a sweat, understanding this English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, break a sweat. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idioms, this video is for you. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of break a sweat. Break a sweat is an idiom in English, and understanding idioms is key to mastering the language. This phrase means to exert oneself physically to the point of sweating. It's often used to describe a situation where someone is doing a task that requires physical effort. However, it's not just limited to physical activities. It can also be used metaphorically. Let's break it down further. Understanding the origins of an idiom can often help us grasp its meaning better. The phrase, break a sweat, likely comes from the literal act of starting to sweat when engaging in physical activity. But interestingly, this phrase can also imply the ease or difficulty of a task. For example, if someone says they didn't break a sweat doing something, it means the task was easy for them. Let's see how break a sweat is used in different contexts. 1. Physical activity. I broke a sweat during my morning run. 2. Easy task. He didn't even break a sweat while solving the math problem. 3. Metaphorical use. Preparing for the presentation was so easy, I didn't break a sweat. English is a language rich in variations. Here are a few related phrases. Not break a sweat. This means something was very easy or required minimal effort. Sweat over something. This implies worrying or working hard on something. Understanding these variations helps in grasping the full range of the idiom's usage. That's all for today's exploration of break a sweat. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting English idiom for you. Remember, idioms are a colorful part of language, and learning them can be both fun and enriching. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep learning and don't forget to break a sweat in your English language journey.